talk in my mother tongue Urdu. Today, knowing this gathering, while we stay, I try to keep it English. So anyway, what's the day here? What's the day? What is the evening? What's the day here? I can't believe that I'm standing here. And this is all this what you see is a hard work of a lot of people, but there's one person who stands out with his unrelenting effort for all this project, and that is Dr. Zafar Jafri. So, I've been told to tell you something about the map. I've been with this project for a long time. When I say project, I'm starting with Zainabia Center out there. Our beloved Zainabia Center, which was at one time a church. Then we came over, we took over, and we changed it to Zainabia Center. And the people at that time, there were a lot of people that gone into it, the person being mentioned. But one person which I have to talk about is Marhum brother Sadiq Rizvi, who, along with Zafar Jafri, are the pillars of the movement. Everything which made this Zainabia what it is today. And a lot of things have changed in the meantime, and people have come and people have gone. But there's one thing we have to know that this is why we are here, because we have to remember and pray and follow and live that. By the way, we also have a school, which we also have now. It is changed and it's very well established. And you know what? I see some of very first learners sitting here. And one of them is my son sitting back there. One is Muhammad Akbar, and the other is no other than Maulana Jafri, who was just in front of me. Say salam, salawat to all of them, for all of them. And now we are here. Why are we here? Because for me, that as some of us come to the twilight of our what we have done already, we have to pass on the alam, the standard to the next generation. The next generation, you and you and you and you, all the human beings, who have to get this and take up and go with the zest, continue with the Zainabia tradition and all what we have learned, and to disperse it to the next generation. That's all I have to say.